Hello lovers of Bookies Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the various colors I do on my hair. So first, I just unravel. I do normally and then I unravel like this. So yeah. As you can see. And then a second style, I section my hair. I make sure I detangle it. And then I take my curler, which I won't recommend this particular curler, and I clip. Then as you can see, I rotate my hair around the curler under the clamp. So these are the two methods you can use to coil your hair. Then I hold for some time and let the air penetrate through the hair. Let me give you a better view of what I'm doing. As you can see, everything is beneath the clamp. So this basically just using a coiler as a wand. So after I'm sure it has gotten thoroughly through the hair, I release. Which is why I do not recommend this coiler, because look at what it's doing. So well, after that much struggle, you can always make sure you clip it and let it stay for a while just to maintain its curls before you take it out. And then after some time you take it out. So this was just for educational purposes, so I didn't let it sit for the required time I was supposed to let it sit for. I just wanted to demonstrate what I was talking about. And as you can see, that's the coil that you have when you just use your coiler as a coiling one. So a second method, got a very tiny strand of hair. Then you twist and wrap around your coiler. You twist and wrap, so you can go above your clamp or below. It just depends on you. So you can see you twist and you wrap, you twist and you wrap. So here's another type of coil you can get using your coiler. So you let it sit for some time till the heat gets through the hair. And then you release. And as you can see, this was actually very fine, but it's going to take forever. So and here's our next method. Another reason why I do not recommend this coiler is because it's a coiler and a straightener all in one, which is very suitable for personal use, but for professional use, no. So here's what our hair looks like after coiling. Thanks for watching. Bye.